Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar for 9th April 2021. So this analysis is for 9th April only. You'll see me next week again with the analysis for the coming week. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And yes, I have recently launched this course. My course is live in YouTube right now because though I have started this channel recently, it's been around 1.5 months, but I have received many messages and comments where I have understood that the main reason behind losing money in the market is that people do not have any proper knowledge, and most of my viewers are beginners, complete beginners, and they are losing money because it is surprising that they do not have any proper knowledge about the market and the charts and still they are trading. I can understand because I was also a beginner once and I did the same mistakes. I My capital was wiped out, so I do not want the same thing to happen to you all as well. Therefore I have uploaded a small course, okay, small course of 32 videos where you'll be getting the basic structure of the market. You'll understand how the market functions, how the chart functions, what are the indicators, how the support and resistance works in the market. So if you watch this video, if you're a beginner, then it will be a good amount of help for you. You'll understand how the market functions. So if you are a beginner, then please do watch these videos. These videos are available under Forex and Stock Learning Course for Beginners playlist, okay, in my YouTube channel. So now let's jump to the chart of GBP USD. So as you can see right now, GBP USD is consolidating or having no trend right now. And we had hope yesterday that market will be going up because market is standing just at this support. We hope that market will be going up, but market did not. Okay, market is kind of standing here. So generally in a position like this, market comes down or market falls. So if you are in a trade right now and if you want to come out of the trade right now, then you can easily come out. And if you want to wait for some time and see what happens, you can also wait. But if you are a beginner, then if you want to look for a better opportunity in other currency pair, then you can come out and look for a better opportunity in other pairs. But there is a possibility the market may come down, but there is a catch here. And the catch is in the weekly chart. Okay. I have already shown you in my previous videos that market is taking support at a weekly chart. Just look at these two candles, which means that this support was a very much valid support and strong support for the market, because this was providing support to the market for the past 2 weeks. But this week market is, or right now market is trading below this support level. So there is a chance that market may reverse also to give closure above this support level. So we cannot be too sure as of now. So I'll tell you, if you are in a trade right now, ongoing trade right now, and if you want to come out of the trade because market is having no trend, you can come out. If you want to take some risk, be on the trade. Keep your stop loss very tight. Okay, so do not keep your stop loss somewhere around here. Keep your stop loss just below this level, and you can wait. Because looking at the previous two candles on the weekly chart, there is a possibility that market may go up. On the other hand, market may, but if you look at this 4 hours time frame, from my experience, okay, market may fall also. So to be very honest, see, we cannot predict the market. We all know it very well. Okay, we can just analyze the market and just hope that market will be going up or down. So as of now, market is in a very critical position because 4 hours time frame is telling us a different story, and the weekly time frame is telling us a little bit of a different story. Therefore, if you do not want to stay on the trade, come out. If you want to take a little risk, be on the trade. Keep your stop loss tight, and let's hope for the best. On the other hand, if you are looking for a fresh position, then GBP USD is not the currency pair for you for this thing, because the market is flat right now, and if market bounces from here, then also you should not be going for any fresh order, because market is making uh handle sorry hammer kind of hammer kind of candles in the weekly charts. So this is not the currency pair for you for this Friday. There are multiple currency pairs available where you can make good amount of money, plenty of opportunities available, but GBP USD is kind of critical, and you should avoid, because this is your hard-earned money, and as I always say, you should not risk your hard-earned money and capital in a chart that you do not understand. I have already shown you that this 4 hours time frame is telling us a different story, and the weekly chart is telling us a different story. Therefore, chart is kind of critical, so avoid GBP USD for Friday for fresh position. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. And if you found the video and informative, so please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you next week. And do subscribe to my channel.